guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and also Happy New Year. I hope you all had a good New Year. I didn't do much. I literally just sat on Discord and watched loads of films with my friends, so yeah. But anyway, today's video is the Makartts, is it House of Florists or is it the House of Bouquet of Florists? I can't remember, but it's the flower one. Anyway, it's the small little like additional kit that you would get. Like this one isn't a proper like full on polygel kit. It's a kit that you would like add to your collection, I guess. And basically it comes with a pair of sharp or pointy tweezers. These tweezers are okay. They're not like, I've got better tweezers, but these are really good and I do like them and I did use them in the video. But like my other tweezers, I can usually pull the petals apart with the tweezers, but I couldn't do that with them. But they do pick up and they do their job. Then you get a 50ml bottle of clear polygel and it comes sealed. And we all know that Makartts clear polygel is very crystal clear. And then, of course, it comes with 3 different trays of dried flowers. And there is a big variety. I was quite shocked that it come with 3 trays. I thought it was only going to come with like 1 or 2. No, it come with 3. So you've got loads here and you've got enough to like last you. I literally used, I think out of 3 little drawers there, I used half of each drawer. That was it. There's so much here. I know that obviously flowers is a very spring and summertime, but who cares, right? You know, I want to do flowery nails for New Year's, so that's what we're doing. So anyway, how did everyone's New Year's go? I think I already said that at the start, but let me know down in the comments. I want to know what you did. Like I said, I just sat and talked to my friends on Discord and we watched loads of Netflix films and had a laugh, watched a couple of comedians. It was really nice. I had a couple of drinks, but I wasn't drunk. But I did go to bed quite late, so yeah. Anyway, going back, so I am going to be using these decal sticker things today, these Holo Butterflies. Got these off of Amazon, and I will link everything down below in the description box. This is going to be in a nail haul that I'll probably upload probably after this video. I've got some other things coming from AliExpress, and we know that it takes a while, so I do have a few things that I bought with my Christmas money. So yeah, these are all of the butterflies. They are absolutely stunning. They're like half butterflies, so you can put them on 2 nails, or you can have like the full butterfly. It's completely up to you. And these also come off of Amazon. These are really cheap. These are like, those stickers were only like £6, and I think these little like Mylar flakies were £5 for all of these, and they are really nice, so I was really happy. But yeah, I'm going to use these today in the nail set. I used the hot pink, the purple, and the lighter blue colour in the set today, and I used some silver holographic butterflies. And I'm also using natural pink from Makartts nude, is it French tip polygel kit? I can't remember. And I'm using the last 2 size 5 nails out of my extra long gel tip coffin nails from AliExpress. That's a mouthful, I can never say that fast. We are doing the laser girl method. I'm sorry. Well, no, I'm not sorry. I love this method, and it's really great for like flower nails, like encapsulated flower nails, just so you know. So yeah, definitely give it a go. Anyway, I'm showing you how to prep your nail right now. I don't do it properly because you guys know I don't prep my nail because I like to take them off after a day or 2, or like after I filmed, whenever I feel fit. And I record a lot, don't I? And I like to practice, so I use a peel-off base coat. But this is how you would prep your nails. So you would push back your cuticles with the like flat spatula end and do that very gently. Then you would take away any of the dust and dead skin with the like knife. I guess it's kind of like a knife. It's like a half of a spade, like on a card. Playing card. Anyway, you would use that and to scrape away all the dust and dead skin. Then you would go in with your buffing block and make sure you buff the shine out of the whole nail. Otherwise, if there's anything shiny, it will lift. Then you can go around your nail with some scissors and cut any of the dead cuticle that is left. You can also trim your nails. I don't, but you can. Polygel's great for like your nails growing, but if they get too long, be careful because moisture can gather underneath like where your nail and say a nail tip would sit and stuff like that. So just be careful because moisture can, yeah. And then you would go in with some dehydrator and primer. Once you put the primer on, do not touch anything because it will stick to everything, but don't get it on your skin. And then a base coat, and then we're going to start the nail set. So yeah, the prep, it seems very confusing, but it's not. It's very like basic step by step, and I will leave a better video in the cards of like explaining where I actually do prep my nails properly. So I just put some of my slip solution into the lid of the actual bottle of the slip solution and grab my white Makartts Polygel brush. The kit doesn't come with anything like this. You will need a top and a base coat and stuff yourself, but if you buy a normal kit, like an actual starter kit, then you'll have everything ready. So I just painted a base coat into the well of the tip, and now before curing I'm just going to press in some of these little mylar flickies. This is the pinky finger. The pinky finger is so small that I couldn't fit a flower in, but I didn't mind it just being like a glistening mylar nail anyhow. I just use another gel brush to push the mylar flickies into the wet base coat, and then once I'm happy with it I will cure for a full well no, I'll cure for 30 seconds. I do like 30-second cures in between like each step and each nail, and then at the end I do a 60 to 2-minute cure depending on what, like flowers, because they're so opaque you might want to cure for 2 minutes, because I cure with my hands flat and then I flip my hand over and cure the underneath as well, just so you know everything is cured all the way through. You need your nail products to be cured, otherwise it's not going to work. Anyway, once it is cured in 30 seconds with the mylar, the base coat will hold that mylar in place, and now I'm just patting in some polygel, the natural pink I think it's called, from the Makartts French Nude Tip Kit. And I'm just patting and pulling it into place, and then once I'm happy with it I take it off my little nail stand with the sticky back, not sticky back, it's blue tack. It's the stuff you use to stick posters on your walls. Yeah, and then I just place it onto my fingernail and I put it in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. So this was the only nail that I didn't put any flowers in, like I said, because it was so small. You might hear my children in the background, by the way. I hope they don't make any loud noises that make you jump. They're playing, they've just got out of the bath and stuff, so yeah. Anywho, we're moving on to the next nail now, the ring finger. And basically what I wanted to do was I wanted to put like a whole flower and then like some leaves. And I'd done that for 2 nails, and then I was like, I left them because I didn't want to waste them. But then the index finger and the thumb, I actually ripped the petals off and I put it into the nail, and it looked so much prettier. I wish I'd done that for all the nails, but never mind. You know, it still looked really cute. But like, as you can see, this flower is humongous, so I had to push it in and hold it in there so that the base coat would like it up. I don't know why I done that noise, but yeah. And if any of the petals are sticking out, once you've put it in the lamp and cured, you can take some scissors and just cut the petals that are sticking out of the nail off. That's what I did anyway. So I'm just doing a place of words. Don't come to me. Basically now I'm just putting in the flower and the leaves, making sure the base coat is like sucking it up, and then before curing I'll put on some mylar flickies, and then I cure for 30 seconds, then I'll put the polygel in. I think it's easier if you literally do like all the decorations and then put the polygel in last. I didn't this time, and it was such a pain in the behind, because like, yeah, if you do all the decorations first and then you're like, right, now polygel, it goes by so quickly. This method is so fast. Absolutely love this method. I'm obsessed with it, but I know not everyone likes this method. I know a couple of people in my comments have been like, don't do this method, don't try this method. And it's like, you know, it's all in fun. I'm not a professional, but it is fun, and it's a great way to get a fast nail set. I really enjoy it. I'm sure I think a lot of people enjoy this set, this method, not this set. Well, hopefully you enjoy this set too, but sorry, I'm rambling a lot. So anyway, I do this I do a blue flower, and then on the next nail I do a pink flower. I accidentally put the pink flower upside down, but they kind of look like aquarium nails, the middle finger and the ring finger. But the index finger and the thumb, they look much better. The thumb I didn't record because I actually have a TikTok now that I'm going to be like doing stuff on. It's just like for a laugh. I'm doing like really random stuff and really weird on it. Do a couple of nail things and do a couple of different things, different content. But if you guys want to follow me on there, you can. It's at Swales Nails, that's it. Really easy to remember. But yeah, you don't have to, of course. I'm just having a laugh on there, really. I'm 29 on the 23rd of January, and I have only now just joined TikTok because my sister, she's 17, and she used to say, don't you dare join TikTok. You're too old. And I'm like, you're 17 now. Like, okay, I guess a lot of 17-year-olds are on that app, but there's a lot of adults. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. It's a nice community and so many things. Like, I'm scrolling through and 1 minute I'm crying and the next minute I'm in stitches laughing and then the next minute I'm blubbering again, you know? And it's like, oh my gosh. It's a roller coaster of emotion on there, but it's fab and there's so many nice people on there. So yeah. But anyway, going back to the nails. So yeah, I just done the pink. As you can see, it was like, oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, no, I did it backwards, so it doesn't matter. But make sure you're putting the right way up. So learn by my mistakes. So I'm just pushing in some Mylar flakies again, and then I cure again, and then I put the polygel on. So yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. It's a fun and easy way to do nails. But anyway, I'm going to put some music on and some feature comments, and I'll be back when we start to do the stickers and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and I'll see you all in a second. And I'm back, guys. Hello. So here is my thumb that I done for my TikTok video. I think it's really nice. I fell in love with the thumb and the index finger. Beautiful. So now I'm just going in with some top coat because I forgot I was going to put stickers on it, and then I remembered, so I put stickers on and then I top coated again. You don't have to do the top coat before the stickers. You can do the stickers then the top coat. I just didn't think. And there's that backwards flower. It doesn't look too bad. It just looks like it's floating in something like water. It looks like a pond, I guess. pond flowers. I don't know. I also put top coat on the backs because of polygel. It can be sticky, and even if you wipe away the sticky tacky layer, you still get that like a weird texture. Like you've got to top coat them, you know, otherwise you're gonna have some things like stick to it. Does that make sense? So I cured, and then I realized, so I stuck on some stickers onto my ring finger, my middle finger, and my index finger. Then I top coated again, and yeah, that was pretty much it. It was a really fun set to do. I absolutely love encapsulated flower nails. I love milk bath nails. I think I'm going to do another set of milk bath, but I'm going to use like some really bright colours. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. I do have a couple of kits that I haven't used yet, and I do plan to use them soon. It's not that I'm like running out of ideas. It's just I've got so many ideas, I don't know where to start. And I don't want to just do boring sets. Does that make sense? So yeah. But yeah, this set was really fun to do. I like it, and I'm happy with it. Yeah, and the great thing as well, I didn't file because you don't have to file with laser go method. But anyway guys, I'm actually going to leave it here, and I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling and stay safe. I hope you had a fantastic new year, and here's to 2021. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm not going to keep my hopes up, but I'm sort of, let's hope this is a better year. Mind you, 2020 wasn't that bad, in my opinion. Like, I got to start doing something that not many people get to do. I'm monetized on YouTube, and I started my YouTube channel last year, and I met all you absolutely amazing human beings, and it's absolutely it's fantastic, you know. So I don't think my year was that bad. I think it was just the whole, oh no, it was bad thinking about it now. But let's hope this year is a little bit better, hey? Let's all stand together and just take care of each other and smile and just try and enjoy life as a whole, you know. But anyway guys, I am going to leave you now, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys. Sorry, I love doing that bit, and I don't know why. Bye.